Welcome to Preschool Learning. Body parts for kids. Face. This is my face. Head. This is my head. Hair. Look at my hair. Eyes. These are my eyes. Eyebrows. Ears. I have 2 ears. Nose. I have 1 nose. Cheek. Look at my cheek. Lips. These are my lips. Mouth. This is my mouth. Teeth. These are my teeth. Tongue. This is my tongue. Chin. This is my chin. Neck. This is my neck. Shoulders. Chest. Stomach. Arm. This is my arm. Elbow. This is my elbow. Hand. This is my hand. Fingers. I have 10 fingers. Nail. Legs. These are my legs. Knee. This is my knee. Toes. These are my toes. Feet. These are my feet. Let's revise. Face. Head. Hair. Eyebrows. Eye. Ear. Cheek. Nose. Lips. Teeth. Tongue. Mouth. Chin. Neck. Shoulder. Chest. Stomach. Arm. Hand. Fingers. Knee. Leg. Toes. Foot. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Preschool Learning.